What's up guys, it's Bones, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble this Husky shelving system from Home Depot. Let's do this. Today we're going to be assembling this Husky shelving system that I got from Home Depot. This one holds up to 10,000 pounds. Once you cut open the straps and open up the box, it does come with some plastic tab hardware. You can just set that aside until you guys are ready to use it. So what you're going to have is 2 end brackets, 8 shelf brackets, 12 crossbars, 4 wire shelves, have a rubber mallet and the plastic push tabs available off to the side. Now you're ready to assemble. This is where you'll take one of your shelving brackets and you'll put that across. Make sure these cutout slots are facing down, and then you just pick where you want to put your shelving. They'll just slide into place. Don't worry about pushing them down too hard at this point, just get them to notch in. After you get the first 2 shelf brackets in, this is where you'll need to figure out how much space you want in between each shelf. For me, I've already pre-measured this, so I know how many holes to go up. For you, it might be different, so take the time and figure out what type of boxes or things you're putting in this shelf, so that way when it's assembled, all your boxes and things will fit on the shelf accordingly. Now you'll need to repeat this for all the remaining shelf brackets. Once you've put all the shelf brackets in, take a rubber mallet and just tap down on all the edges. Now we're going to take these crossbars, 3 per shelf, and put them in those notches I told you to have face down. You will have the little bent angle go through that actual slot, and then the other part just rests on top of the shelf. Repeat this step. You'll have 12 in total, 3 per shelf. Now take the plastic tabs that I showed you at the beginning of the video, put those into the designated hole at the end of each shelf. You just push them in with your thumb. Now the only step left we have is just to place the wire rack on each one of the shelves. This is pretty self-explanatory, you just set it on there. Repeat this for the remainder of the shelves. And that wraps up the shelf. As you can see guys, I already assembled another one of these shelves. They're pretty awesome. For the price point, I can't even go build wood shelves for this. And the nice thing about these, they collapse really easy if I ever need to take them and move them somewhere else. So I would recommend going out there and getting them. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check them out. Thanks again for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.